Alright, this is a fireworks review of the little Dynamite firecracker from Black Hat. The good thing about these is that they're waterproof. I will be testing this today, but right outside my window right there. We're gonna be ghetto today and slide and throw it on my roof. I feel like it. Hey, it's my dog. Who cares? Well, here it is. The basic Bic lighter. A mini 3-tool whatever. I don't really have anything else. Well, let's get to the testing. It's like, oh, I don't want to do that. I think that's fine. Well, it adjusts. It does adjust. Yeah, good. What can you? Yeah. Hopefully that got it. Sorry for the noise. I'll put just like the time that goes to the explosion in the description. But yeah, that was it. They are waterproof. They are not that loud. Like they stink like any other firework. But yeah, they don't explode too much. I put it in the dirt, and some of them pop, like, since they're handmade, some are pop more explosive than others, I'd say. But yeah, that's a basic review of it right now, and thanks for watching.